This is the SUNCREAT 2-in-1 hammock chair with stand. So this whole device can handle about a 475-pound capacity. So it really is meant for two people, or you can just go on there yourself. And it does come with both a hammock chair, which will be in a black pattern, as well as the hammock in your color of choice, which I have done in this kind of light blue stripe color. So I'm just assembling the hammock here, as you can see, step by step. It didn't take me too long to assemble, and I'm not the handiest at setting things up, and I found it not a struggle at all to set up. So here is the completed look. It's super strong and sturdy. Love the color and design. It's very summery. It is just a kind of hand woven at the base. The ropes are super strong, and it uses a durable poly cotton fabric. The chair material too, if you swap it out to the chair, there is a built-in side pocket as well. So great if you're sitting, wanting to read a book or put your phone in there. And I even placed my dogs on here too with me, and they were super cozy and happy. Check it out.